I am at 669 Milford Street, Los Angeles, California. You see, she got the heads up. She's all for it. They're gonna make money. You know what I mean? But I'll just keep moving. I'll keep it moving. And I'll find a dead end where these perps can't gang stalk me at. And also, since I'm doing this video, I might as well talk about just information that I've been thinking about. Alright, so for one thing, if you look up 4G data coverage or 5G data coverage or whatever, you're gonna find out that certain places Verizon or AT&T don't have coverage for. And you can easily find these sites. So I mean, it's practically like in the mountains in the middle of nowhere is usually the only place that you're gonna really find somewhere that you can, find that somewhere that's gonna be, out of coverage for you, so that these cowards they'll have less energy weapon, or they'll be able not to make as much money off of you. It'll be hard to target you and you won't make money. If you park at a dead end, then these perps can't fucking track you. Like, it's gonna look stupid for them to pull into a dead end. What do they have business going right there? You know what I mean? And then especially if you're calling it out, you know what I mean? If you're calling this shit out and then they're still going, it's just like way more suspicious. So they're not trying to get their panties exposed, is what I'm trying to say. So like, for instance, right now, I'm going to show you guys. I was parked there. That's where they sent the AT&T truck right now as soon as I approached. And as you can see, this is where I was parked. Right now, this is where I'm at. I was parked in the same spot where the blue dot is. And I drove to meet the guy, the AT&T guy. So that's a perp's house that has AT&T, obviously. They obviously notified the perp, told them, yo, we need to come and adjust your shit. A freaking really smart TI has pulled up and we need to make sure that we track them properly. So, I mean, if you think about it, probably just this house right here would cover, a pretty good distance. Probably more than that. You know what I mean? So, I mean, I can easily move. I can easily find another place. Like anywhere else. I mean, look at all these dead ends. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's all these dead ends right here. You know what I mean? So you take the money out of the fucking mouth of the cowards, and now they don't have anything to do with themselves. You know what I mean? So not only that, but I know for a fact that when I looked up the coverage, and for instance, I'll show you guys right now. You go to go to let's see, go to, where is it? Red Pocket. Red Pocket coverage. They use a bunch of different. This is a cell phone company, right? So you can use this. You can use a bunch of different sites. There's a lot of them, but this one I just barely found out. All right, so this is T-Mobile. This one is Verizon. This one's T-Mobile, and then this one's Sprint. All right, so Verizon obviously is the largest CDMA network. All right, so we're gonna click on that one if it lets us go. So me being here right now, he's working on the system. He's trying to probably calibrate it to where I'm at. So I'm just gonna get out of the area real quick before this little pussy comes. But I'm gonna see right now. So most likely I'm gonna see. All right. So I'm moving spots, obviously, and look at how many cowards are showing up already. Bunch of puppets everywhere. Every day. All right, the little fucking puppet minions. Little puppet minions. Got another puppet right here. Make these puppets go uphill. And this fucking clown is still following me. Got some construction work right here. Ooh, all tech already showing up to the scene. Fuck. I'm good. Damn, how the fuck are these fools already here? Hey, you guys just showed up or you been here? I say you guys just showed up or you been here? Oh, you're about to leave? All right, so you guys putting up new fiber optics? All right. I guess they're different, huh?
No, we do phone line shit.
Oh, okay.
We don't do no fiber optic. That's the spectrum and all that bullshit.
Yeah. All right, man.
All right, bro.
Yeah, I guess they were here already, but you know, I know these fuckers, they can predict, like, if they brain map you good enough, they can predict, like, what your next moves are, maybe, but, like, it can't be, like, 100% accurate. They can only get close to it. And then constantly, if you're if you're shielding, they can't predict shit. They can only try to predict. But let's see here. Alright, so this is a loop here. This is a loop. Alright. I think I like the... Yeah, I think, let's see, there's some greenery over here. Oh, this looks good right here. I'm gonna let those dudes leave though, and then I'll move again. But All Tech for sure is another also people that I've had following me around, collecting information. All Tech is another one of them. So it doesn't really matter where you go because there's all kinds of tech around you. You know what I mean? Shit, I think they're coming this way. No, they're going down the next street. So they have all areas covered. See, they were here already. They've been improving their system. Everywhere I've went, I've seen street work being done, light poles being worked on, electricity poles being worked on. Like, all this shit's going up. And if you even see right here, I mean, like, dude, you think this is for, to help electricity, bro? These are weapons right here. Those are weapons. And then those are ceramic. And like I said, ceramic, you can bounce off millimeter waves off of them. So they're good for emitting waves and deflecting waves. That's why they use ceramic. Because if you think about it, if I drew a picture, let's see, if I looked it up and showed you guys, oh yeah, let's see. Let's see if I could go on the map. Alright, here we go. So, Verizon. This is all the coverage right here. All the green. I don't know if this is Verizon, I'm not sure. So you see right here. Let's see, let's try to find a better map. Because you could even YouTube this. Just look up which provider offers the best coverage. There's some places that don't allow 5G. Damn, Nebraska doesn't have no coverage, blood. That's crazy. I mean, it doesn't mean that they don't have 5G towers. See, if you can find a map that has all the 5G towers, because a lot of these towers are not even, you know what I mean? They're not even labeled. So how are you supposed to, know where everything's at? I mean, because then they got the satellites. So, in my opinion, I think if you were to be able to go underground, I mean, you can still be hit with some of the tinnitus, the low energy weapons, the ELF, low energy frequency, but you all the energy weapons, like all the other rest of the stuff, will probably be way less. So you see this green patch right here? That's, I mean, that's probably where you want to be. Huh. Check out this shit. Kings Canyon National Park. Yeah. No coverage, blood. This is like a sign. Wow. There's a little bit of coverage right there. Cedar Grove. But look at this infestation, bro. You got to think about it like this. All the red is where you're going to be gaining gang stalked, right? Because that's how the system works. That's how their telecommunications is going to go. See, the gang stalking, I think it's honestly easy to deal with. I mean, I can deal with it. But if you want to be smart, if you want to really take these fools out the game, then you have to go to the wilderness. But that's the thing. I mean, you have to have money. You have to be able to build shelter or buy land. Like, if you can buy land in some of these places, I mean, that's golden ticket right there. But I mean, look at this. This is where I live right here. Los Angeles. Look at this shit. You can't fucking get away from this shit, blood. It's a fucking infestation of fucking fuckery. You understand? Infestation. Technology has taken over. We live with a bunch of transhumanistic fucks that love to be part of the hive mind and love to be penetrated by Satan. They love their minds invaded and their booty holes as well. All right? So we need to extract ourselves from this cowardice system. Ooh. Los Padres. That's in Ventura. Man, they don't want to have no fucking blind spots, bro. These little patches here and there. That's funny how the water doesn't have any coverage. I wonder if water is just a little secret to blocking shit. San Juan Capistrano. These hills right here don't got no coverage. I mean, trying to get in those hills is a bitch. I mean, you can see little crevices though, little spots where they don't have service. You just gotta have a little keen eye, and you can probably find a little spot. Damn, the wilderness is fucked right there. They're just fucking saturating the whole fucking world with this bullshit. But you go, the more you scroll out, the more places you can see that don't have none of this crap. But that's the thing, there's less jobs, there's less population, less drama. So in my idea, I say stack your chips, get a piece of land the fuck away from these fucking cowards, and try to find a job nearby where you can go back home and not be infested in this fucking cowardice program. You see, because I'm kind of like, I'm at a dead end, but the cowards are still lurking nearby. You know, I could sense them. I could sense the cowardice near me. And I'm getting hit with fucking energy weapons as we speak. I don't think it's even energy weapons. I think it's, well, actually, I think it's like pulsating some kind of energy and then frequency, and it's trying to connect. Because when I use earplugs or earphones or whatever, it's like vibrating my ear canal because it can't connect somehow or something. It's interrupting. You know, because these maps, they look like, you know, oh, there's, you know, it's nice and green and, you know, it looks nice, right? But it's fucking saturated with bullshit everywhere. Fucking frequencies and energy and fucking you everywhere. Bastard fucking piece of shit. These fucking pieces of shit. Fucking, we're allowing them to take over this world when this is supposed to be our land. You know, we say what goes. I don't give a shit. God's people are stronger. You see, this is a loop where I'm at. Look, if you look closely. Wait. Alright, so if I go straight, I make a right. Alright, let's see. So I could just not have any cars passing me. If I go, or I have to turn around. Yeah. Oh, look at the view. So we're gonna go this way, where these trucks were, where Alltech was setting up. You see, because they want to get the highest point, so that the coverage, fucking clouds, so that the coverage spreads out. You see, this is where they were parked, and by I mean coverage, I mean like energy weapons and shit. So these things were just recently placed where I was parked under that tunnel. So these are to pulsate energy, because, you know, the energy can ride the electricity. So what that does is just the ceramic pings out a bunch of this fucking technology to everywhere. So they got this whole fucking goddamn area covered right here. So if I stay here, I mean, I'm gonna be getting targeted, obviously. But we're gonna go anyways and just check it out. Not a through street, just how I like it. that street was too narrow for me to park alongside it. But the phone pole is right there, literally. So I mean, I don't think this would be a good place to park, because they just modified whatever they needed to right there. So this wouldn't be a good place to park. The phone pole is right here. So like honestly, anywhere, this is where the phone pole's at. So honestly, anywhere in this area wouldn't be good. I mean, they have this shit covered. And they probably already covered all these places. So it doesn't really matter where you park exactly. The only way would be if you can find like underground parking or a bridge, like I said. You see, like you could look at this, but this one goes over the top. If it goes under a freeway, or you can find somehow like to get under a bridge, then you'll be golden. Alright, so time for plan B. Like a puppet on a string. It's a nice street. Damn, they got this shit sewn up. And got all these little new gizmos right here. That dude's just sitting right under it. You see, they don't, if they don't want to target you, they don't have to. You know what I mean? They could just easily avoid you, and you won't feel anything. They make it comfortable for these perps so that they don't feel any side effects. But when they're connected to you and you start shielding and start using all kinds of different shit, then it begins to be a problem. But anyway, and then they swipe on their phone or tap on it when they pass you. It's just like passing the baton to the next perp to notify them that they just passed you. It's just all about data collection, data information, tracking, stalking to be able to mob. You know, but I mean, their shit doesn't work with me because I'm just too smart for these cowards. I always have been, always will be. John Wick Street. Alright, we're gonna park right here because I'm tired of looking, so this is where we've come to. It doesn't matter, the shit's gonna be all around us, but I'm gonna move later. I'm just gonna park here for now, so I'll probably park like right here. You see how they supposedly fixed all the pipeline right here, but they've been doing this, like, it's weird. How do they know what places to fix, or what places are having problems? Like, how do they know? I mean, I think they just randomly went and just tried to fix wherever they wanted to. But yeah, for sure at night, if you move, they have to move their satellites. I've seen them moving them like multiple times, and that costs money because they need energy in the daytime. So if they're having to waste fuel or energy, sometimes, you know, unless they have anti-gravity machines, but I don't know. They be tight with technology, so who knows. But yeah, just another day. Still making money, still saving. I'll be getting an RV soon, and eventually getting some land to be able to help other TIs. And I'm just gonna damper as much as I can this fucking system. I'm gonna fuck it up as much as possible and squash these cowards. Try to help as many people as I can, and just serving the Most High. That's my plan. You know, trying to acquire skills that I can contribute to being able to uphold our rights and to spread information, spread truth. And that's what I'm going to continue doing. But yeah, this is a dead end. So these cowards, I mean, they can try coming down here, but they'll get recorded. And, you know, their pussy asses hate looking stupid. So, deuces.